So this week I decided to start or to finish up the slides. And so now as you can see the tube slide is now one straight path, unlike before where it was multiple different sections like how the bi slide is currently. And so today I'm going to show you how to do that. So the engine I used is called Rhino 7 and basically allows you to create the path. And so first step you want to do is go up here to curve at the very top, go down to freeform and click on interpolate points. And so then what you want to do is what I did, I got a reference image of what I was using. I clicked on and just followed the path. So as you can see, as you click, it creates a path. And I'll curves it for you. And so when you're done, creating your path, you just press enter and get the path finalized. And so as you can see over here in perspective, it's currently flat, which isn't what we want. We want it to be go up and down. So what you do is on the right side here, you click on the path, you click on each dot, make sure it's highlighted yellow, and then you're able to drag it, so you're not dragging the whole thing. So as you can see over here on perspective, it is now going up slightly. You can even click on perspective in order to find which ones you want to go first. So as you can see, I'm moving it up. Zoom out a little bit. Back on it. Click on this dot. And this one also go up. As you can see, now it's starting to curve. Click on this one. I want to go down a little bit. And if you want the whole thing to be moved, all you have to do is click on this and then just nope. Click on it. Sure none of them are selected and just drag the whole thing at once. So as you can see, we can move everything around, create our own path. And so that looks pretty good to me. So now what I'm going to do next is show you how to set up the curve. Alright, so in order to create the where the tubing is going to be, we're going to want to go over to circle center radius, click on it. Then you're going to go over to the top and you're going to go right to where it starts, hover over it, click once, drag out the width you want it to be, and then click it again. Now you have your circle. Over here, as you can see, it's not quite lined up, so you can go and just move it up. That's not what we want. Drag it all the way up to where it's lined up with it. And so you may need to adjust a little bit, but it's good now. Maybe actually move it over a little bit. Alright, now that's all good. Next step is going to go up here to where it says command. You're going to type in sweep 1 and press enter. And so next thing you want to do is click on the path, and then it's going to bring up a different prompt. Now you're going to click on the circle, and then you're going to press enter, then enter again, and now you have the tube. So I press OK. As you can see here, it's a little messed up, but as you can see, it's a tube. And so in order to get it over to Unity, what you want to do is click on File, Save As, change it to, instead of being a Rhino 7 3D model .3dm, you want to change it over to a motion builder.fbx file. You want to save it to wherever it's most convenient for you. I'm just gonna save mine to my desktop. I kept this all the same, didn't change anything. Kept this the same as well. And so we're gonna wait for that to save. And the next step is going to be to open Blender, go into File, Import. You want to click on the f.fbx, and then you can go over to your desktop and load in the actual file. It's going to be really small, and you're going to delete all the perspectives because it just messes with it. It isn't helpful. Then you're going to want to do is click on it. It's start at scale 0.001. You want to change that to 1, or whatever size works for you. As you can see, it is now here. And so now that's in here, we can edit it how you want. And then what you want to do is go over to File again, Save As, and then just save it to where it's most convenient. And then you're able to import it into Unity. The way you import it into Unity is to right click, import new asset, and then just select it. And that's what I did this week.